It's toss time, ladies and gentlemen, for this season's CCL T10 Blast. The first two teams facing off against each other, the Bengal Tigers taking on the Chennai Rhinos. I have the two captains here with me. Joy captaining the Bengal Tigers. For the Chennai Rhinos, it's Sham. I have the two co-owners here as well, Mr. Raj Shah for the Bengal Tigers, Mr. Shrikant for the Chennai Rhinos. And for the toss, I've got the coin. Heads is this is tails, what the domination is. Joy to toss and Sham to call. Tails is the call, ladies and gentlemen. Heads is what it is, which means that the Bengal Tigers have won the toss. And Joy, what is your team going to do?
We would like to bat first. Yeah.
Think it's going to be a good tactic to put runs on the board on a wicket like this in a game that you're kick-starting the season with?
Yeah, that is what we think. Our team Bengal Tigers, we have been successful, putting on score on the board. So let's see. Let's hope for the best, because this is a new format that we are playing with. It's a 10-over format, and anything can happen. So let's see. I and along with my coach, we decided that we'll be batting first. So let's see what happens from here.
Well, go well, and I hope you put enough runs on the board, Joy.
Thank you.
Sham, is it a disappointment for the toss that you've lost, or would you have preferred to bowl first?
No, actually we wanted to bowl first, and I'm glad that Joy won the toss and he's taken batting. Thanks to him for giving us the opportunity to bowl first. The entire team said, Sham, if you win the toss, go for bowling. And I think we've got it. And as we see the pitch, it's good, and all the boys are like charged. And the best part is it's T10. So far, 6 years we've been playing T20. The format was different, the plans were different. But it's T10, it's first time, the first match. So all are excited. So I guess the best man wins.
Yes, and may the best team win as well. Sham, go well. It's very interesting. I'm yet to meet a captain who, after losing the toss, says that the decision that has been taken is not something that he didn't want to do. Sham's walked down the same path. The quick question now is, will Bengal put enough on the board? Will Bengal Tigers go on and get the runs that are going to be difficult for the Chennai Rhinos to chase? We'll find out in a while.
So the Dapper Dawn, Raman Banod with the toss
Celebrity
over
Cricket League T10 win it. This is exciting to see. Every ball counts, every run counts, isn't it?
Sunil, I was going to ask you, T20 का जो एग्रेशन होता है उसको देख के ही जो पब्लिक होती है चकाचौंध रह जाती है. ये T10 में एग्रेशन क्या लगता है? डबल होगा, ट्रिपल होगा, क्वाड्रुपल होगा?
I think we need to just stand on the chairs. I think we need to find out how the
Sunil, what kind of shots, are we going to be looking forward to today? I mean, T20, we talk about T20, we play the the ODI format and the T20 format, but what kind of shots do you think are going to rain down upon the audience and the opposition in today's match?
I think it's going to be interesting to see how the
वो कहते हैं ना, पटाखा जितना छोटा होता है उतनी ज्यादा आवाज करता है, तो ये भी छोटा पटाखा है, क्या ज्यादा आवाज आने वाली है इसकी?
नहीं, वो हिंदी में कहावत है विनीत, बंदा बॉल अगर बाहर है तो बंदा बाहर, नहीं तो बॉल बाहर, दोनों में से. I think I try to convince. I'm trying to convey that if you miss the ball, it should hit the stump, or if the ball hits the bat, it should go out of the boundary.
Absolutely, and you did sound a bit like one of my favorite cricketers, Virendra Sehwag, right there. Sunil, tell me another thing. ये जो संगम है क्रिकेट का और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, एंटरटेनमेंट और लगभग बॉलीवुड का, ये भी एक तरह से एक बहुत बड़ा पटाखा है एंटरटेनमेंट का.
I think this game has brought all these even the celebrities together, Vinny. That itself is a game, shows that why this game is so popular in our country and worldwide. And that's the reason that we have every stage, everywhere there is a game, a cricket, and it's going to be a religion. I would say it's already a religion in India. And coming all the Bollywood stars, all the regional film stars have come together. The big stars have come into this tournament. It's the one passion that is cricket.
This is the 7th season of the CCL, and it has grown from strength to strength. And perhaps some of the players, Sunil, that I saw in the first or the second season, some of them don't even play today, but there are a couple of guys who are still playing. And anybody who's watching this kind of a format for the first time, it'll be hard for them to distinguish between a professional cricketer and an entertainer. Well, even a cricketer is an entertainer, but this is an entertainer who's a cricketer, and there is a cricketer who's an entertainer.
No, it's going to be really interesting, Vinith, as you said, a cricketer who's that's a professional, and here he's an entertainer who's going to get into a different role. I think it's really going to be yes, it's a pressure for him because he's already made interesting roles in the
there you go, the
first ball, and I think it's going to be a good start for the Bengal Tigers.
Well, it's important to note, that since it's a short format, Sunil, the aggression and the body language of the players has to be kept in mind. It's not only a game of physicality anymore. It's a game of nerves, like you said earlier, and it's also a game of spirit. And all of these things do not actually go from strength to strength when you're playing in such hot conditions.
No, absolutely true. Vinith, the first thing I would appreciate is coming in and bowling right on the target. That's the biggest strength in T10. I think they have really done the homework very well. If you look, oh wow, that's very close. He nearly hit the stumps, I think. It's a pressure. See, every ball, there's so much buzzing over in the 30-yard circle.
Almost, you got it.
Well, let's remind you once again that this is the CCL T10 Blast, which is powered by Bharti Cement, and the captain of the Bengal Tigers, Jay, had won the toss, and he had elected to bat and driven to the covers but intercepted. Sunil, another question I wanted to ask you was that, format to format, Test became one-day internationals. We had a 60-over game. Kerry Packer, brought in an entire different flavor to it. When the World Cup in '91 was held in coloured uniform. Then came, the T20 revolution. Is T10? I already know the answer to that, but I want to hear it from a professional cricketer like you. Is T10 the next big thing? And we are actually at the cusp of this great format being a household name in the future.
I think it's going to be wait and watch, Vinith. See, I'm not trying to reduce the exciting format of the question, because as a professional, is it going to make it to the Olympics or a Commonwealth game T10? A lot of buzz is going around because we saw the Dubai tournament going through the T10. A lot of professionals and the international cricketers who were part of that team, they're advocating that T10 should be there in the. That's a great shot, and it's an equally stop. He certainly saved 4 runs for his team.
Right, that was the penultimate ball of this particular over. It's the first over. And going by the looks of it and going by the scoreboard, Sunil, they need to work harder. Solely keeping the format in mind. 3 is not a handy number that is going to make anybody in the dugout very, very comfortable. So the end of the first over, 3 for 0.